You can use Fin with Zendesk and get all the benefits of the first human-quality AI agent without migrating platforms. When a customer reaches out, Fin responds immediately with accurate and personalized answers, and can take action on behalf of customers, all in your tone of voice and across multiple languages, resolving 50% or more of your support volume and only involving your team when necessary. Whether the customer sends an email or submits a form, Fin picks up the ticket in Zendesk, finds the right answer, or takes the necessary action, and responds by email. And Fin also works in all Zendesk messaging channels like web, mobile app, WhatsApp, and more. Or you can install the Intercom Messenger for a best-in-class customer experience. When a customer does need human help, Fin either creates a ticket in Zendesk for your team to pick up, or hands off the conversation to an agent for a live response. The choice is yours. Setting up Fin is quick and easy. Train Fin with your help content, fine-tune its behavior, and set up the tasks it can perform. Test Fin's responses against your most common queries, then deploy to the channels and customers you choose. And set how Fin should hand over to your team when needed, so every customer gets the experience you want. Hit Analyze to access in-depth reports and track Fin's performance in Zendesk alongside the rest of your team. Scale your support with the best AI agent in the business without switching platforms, and free up your team for higher impact work. Get started now